This is a genius product. So today I have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and this device for me is something that's very interesting because of its price point. It's got 4 gigs of RAM and it's got 128 gigabytes of storage. As we open it up, we have over here is a cover for the phone. So that's the cover that goes around the phone. After getting the new phone or getting a new phone, is going to go buy a cover. Immediately you can protect your phone with the cover that's in the box. Very cool to have. And we have the phone itself. It's got the Snapdragon 680 processor. It's 90 Hertz AMOLED display. It's got a 33 watt pro fast charging port, and it's got 50 megapixel AI quad camera. So at the back, that's your camera, that's 50 megapixel. So the phone itself is very well, it's very good looking. It's got a metal finish. Most phones of today, that doesn't come with a charging brick. This one actually does. Here's your 33 watt charger. That's there, the 33 watt charger, USB out over there, and the USB-C cable. The phone itself, for the amount of money you're paying for, is definitely worth it. And that's why